I will do my best to educate human beings to a happy life on earth. Cheon Gong. If your soul is joyful, your life can't be anything but filled with joy. A blissful soul helps you reject turbid energy that's headed your way. You need to work to get your soul to be pure and happy. Therefore, you ought to speak in a conscious way, for your words bring strength and energy to your soul. Even a single distorted or mistaken word could wound your spirit to death. From the lecture 5626 by spiritual Korean Master Cheon Gong.